So, apart from the variations that we have seen so far under register, that is field and then style and mode of expression, you have two other small terms that you have to remember. Okay, one is slang. Slang is nothing but it is a use of a language in an extremely informal way. Okay, you know what is called as formal way. So here you, when you are using the same language in a very informal way, that is called as a slang. Okay, so you have many slang words. If you just type in the Google, you will get a list of slang words in English. Okay, here I have listed a few. For example, I don't know if it is legible. I've written like buck, BUCK, and it refers to the dollar. And this will be a very familiar word for you, DIY, do it yourself. Okay, so all these comes under slang words. And then tele, it stands for the television. And ACE, so when you are telling ACE, it stands for the excellence. Okay, so I mean if you just list out more, it will go for pages. So here I have quoted a little bit of slang words. And the next one that I want to talk about is jargon. Jargon is nothing but it refers to a set of words or expressions used by a specific group among themselves. Okay, and many of the words used by them will not be understood by other people outside the group. So such type of words will come under jargon words. Okay, and here again I have listed out when you're talking about the police, no, police profession of policemen. Here you can see a few words like suspect. So when this word is used in the profession of policemen, the meaning suspect will be different. Okay, you know what, who will be termed as suspect? Any criminal that you are searching for or something like that will stand for this word suspect. And beat is nothing but where certain region will be covered by a particular policeman, no, that is called as beat. So these two words will come under the group of people like a policeman. And a common man will not be very much aware of what he actually means by suspect or beat unless you know the meaning of the particular word in that profession. Okay, and when you are talking about in the medical profession, they use words like acute. Okay, acute is nothing but a sudden disease, so that is called as acute. But in common language, you know what is the meaning of acute, isn't it? So but in the profession of a doctor, that will be a different meaning, and this again is a jargon. And one more I have given like brass. So when you are talking about the profession of plumbers, no, so when they mean, when they just utter the word brass, maybe they mean like a pipe. Okay, so these are all a few words that I have listed under jargon. Again, you will find ample of words when you just jump into the Google search.